our Big Science Day project is about fingerprints.
By Shin
and Jiwoo Hong. Hello, we are Jiwoo
and Shin.
Our Big Science Day project is all about fingerprints. Our main goal is to find out if people have similar fingerprints when they are from the same country.
We wanted to do this project because we were much curious about if fingerprints matter with where people are from.
What did we do in our project? We got 35 people to print their fingerprints with a stamp pad.
We used a chromatography paper to be able to observe the patterns in the fingerprints much better.
We collected a list of people who are from different countries. That way we would be able to observe the fingerprints easier.
This includes both students and teachers.
These two pictures are examples of similar fingerprints but different people.
These are some examples of fingerprints that we tested.
We also put the fingerprints on sunlight so we could be able to observe the patterns much better. What inspired us?
We knew from the very beginning that we wanted to do something different than others.
By meaning different, we wanted to do something fun, challenging, and things that were not used as an example last year.
When searching ideas online, we came across the experiments of fingerprints, and Mr. Carter, our science teacher, also told us that fingerprint experiments would be a challenging but exciting topic to do.
We also wanted to know if people in the same country had the same shape and pattern of their fingerprints.
Also, we had an interest on if you are born in a different country, would your fingerprint shape and pattern be different? And if you're from different countries, if you're from both countries,
same countries, would the same and shape and pattern be different? What we found in our experiment. The data we collected were finding similar fingerprints from all countries. The same country, which is Japan, similar fingerprints, same different fingerprints, and half country people. This data shows us that there were similar fingerprints since they could have a relationship with each other.
After some observations on the fingerprints, we found out that some people from the exact country have similar fingerprints, but at the same time we found out that many other people from the same countries had a unique fingerprint that was much different than the other fingerprints.
One example is that about 8 people had a similar fingerprint when they were either half Japanese or full. But there were several cases where some people had the same fingerprints, while they were not from the same country. This shows that people from other countries could have a similar fingerprint as a person from another country.
Conclusion. When we concluded our project, we realized that there were some things that we could have done better. For example, organizing the information we collected. Since some of the informations were scattered in places, we were struggling to put them together.
Next time, we want to try getting fingerprints of people who are twins. This is because we wanted to see if being twins would make you have identical or similar fingerprints. We also want to get more fingerprints from people that are from the similar country and different countries so that we could compare much more and get a clear answer.
Some unavoidable errors were how much stamp ink people put on their finger. Since it's a stamp pad, we did not know how much ink they put on their finger. Thank you!